long and lasting love. I never thought that I would meet someone so beautiful. Never thought I'd see a love like this. Tonight I'll show you that a love is something beautiful, and I seal it with a kiss. A long and lasting love we share for many reasons, a special bond that goes beyond the changing of the seasons. A long and lasting love.